Hey everybody, how's it going? So today we got a quick guess what's in the box / bag video. I got this from eBay. Not sure what it is because I already received everything that I purchased from eBay. But let's take a look at it, do a guess what's in the box video, and we'll find out on the next video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys there. What is up everybody, how's it going? Welcome back to the channel. Before we get started, please like, comment, subscribe, and smush the bell notification icon for future updates. This is going to be a guess what's in the box video. It's a large bag. This came from Kevin Yang, G5 Electronics Inc., Ontario, California. I believe I already got everything that I was supposed to from eBay. I'm not really sure what this is, but in the next video we'll open it, take it out of the package. Because the last thing that I bought from eBay is this box right here. That should have been the last thing I was receiving from eBay. Which that should be a different set of shocks. It should be another set of rear. So these are rear shocks also. Those should be rear shocks, but these should be, because the 2000 Limited has a lift kit, it actually requires 2003 to 2021 rear shocks, which are a 4 to 6 inch lift shock. These are the ones that a 2000 4Runner should take, but those are for a 0 to 3 inch lift. So I can't use those on the Limited, but they will go on the SR5 when I get her sky fixed, or her / sky fixed, because she does have a 3 inch lift. But measure this real quick. This is 8.5 inches wide. It is 12 1/8 inch long, and at the widest point it is 2 inches thick. Let me measure that again. Yeah, widest point, 2 inches thick. What do you guys think is in the bag? It's pretty heavy. Maybe 1.5 pounds or so. Estimated delivery $8.27. Flat rate envelope. That's about, I don't see weight on here. It's about 1.5 pounds or so. I guess we'll find out what it is on the next video. Just a quick little guess what's in the box / bag video. It is kind of a cardboard bag, so kind of like a box. I do appreciate you guys stopping by though. As always, please like, comment, subscribe, smush the bell notification icon for future updates. Or check out my Amazon affiliate links, my Acme Tools affiliate links, my DJI Electronics affiliate links, as well as my Ohio Power Tools affiliate links. And also got at the top of the description below, do also have a Ulsa Tools link. That'll get you 10% off your order at ulsatools.com, as well as it kicks me back 10% off my next order. So when you use it, it does save me a little money on when I order from them, which is much appreciated. All links are affiliate links. I do earn a commission when you guys use them. All money that the channel makes, whether it's affiliate links, it's you guys sending me money on PayPal, Super Chats, if you guys are members. Polar Bear Ed, Lawn Care Juggernaut are the members of the channel at the moment. Blake's Restoration was a member. I don't know if he still is, but it's you guys are the reason the channel's monetized, so I want to say thank you to all of you guys that like, comment, subscribe. You know, people that watch the channel, whether you're subscribed or not, likes, dislikes, you guys are all the reason that the channel's making money, and I want to say thank you. I will always let you guys know if the channel paid for an item or a tool or a car part or whatever it is. This I'm not sure what it is, to be honest. I already received everything I was supposed to receive from eBay, which was like 36 packages or so. Since I got into my truck accident, I've been buying parts here and there to find that are hard to find for the limited, because it's got a totally different dash and color code for the interior. But that's all I got for you guys today. Appreciate you guys stopping by. You guys have an awesome rest of your day, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace!